Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add funds to your account on Paxful. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Paxful application on your device. And once you open it up, you will be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already, using your credentials or your PIN. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page, from which if you wish to add funds, then tap on your total balance option. You will now see the send, receive as well as convert option. Go ahead and tap on the receive button if you wish to receive funds from someone else. You can then choose your preferred currency and you will be shown the QR code or your wallet ID if you have already verified your account. You can also tap on the buy option for each one of these currencies and you will see various methods by which you can buy your crypto. Just tap on your preferred method from the list of available methods and then you can enter the amount that you wish to receive, or you can enter the amount that you wish to pay. You can then scroll forward and click on the buy now option and you will be asked to enter your credentials for your desired payment method. Just enter your credentials and proceed forward, and once your identity has been verified, your transaction will be made and the fund will be added onto your account right away, which you will see underneath your total balance. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add funds onto your Paxful account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.